about it.
Hello everybody, my name is Matti and I'm from Finland. Today in Finland
Yes.
the parliament vote about the equal right for homo to marry. And there are people who say no homo in Finland. But I say no homo.
Naturally.
In Finland we homo. And even myself am hetero, but I wish that in Finland everyone can homo in marriage for free.
Chat, it feels like people from Finland and they really speak English. Chat,
that's it.
I feel like they make what they say so purposeful.
Still no welcome to the
Almost like they're delivering some sort of speech, or whatever they say has more importance than whatever was said before. Am I wrong by this?